So welcome students. So in this question you given that a circle passes through the point 1, -2 and touches x-axis at the point 3, 0. Circle is touching x-axis at 3, 0 and is also passing through 1, -2. So if that is so, which point will this circle also pass through? So the options given are very straightforward. So as you can see, so this point -1, -2 is 2 units backwards, 2 units backwards and 2 units downwards. Because this is a point of tangency, all the symmetric points lie on this. The symmetric point correspond to 1, -2 also should lie on the circle. So if I go 2 units forward and 2 units downward, obviously I get 3 plus 2, the point 5, 2 units downward, -2. So if the circle passes through 1, -2, it also has to pass through 5, -2. So this is one way in which you can get the answer by normal inspection. But if you want to derive the circle and then check for the answer, that can also be done. So how will it be done? First, because x-axis is a tangent, the perpendicular to x-axis, that is a line parallel to y-axis, should be the line on which the center lies. So the center should lie on this line. So let us assume that the center is, because it is perpendicular to x-axis, the center x coordinate will not change. Let the y coordinate be equal to k. So let the center be 3, k. And as you can see, this line is perpendicular. Hence, this length is equal to k, as the radius also becomes equal to k. Now, what is the equation of the circle? The equation of the circle is x minus 3 whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to k square. That's the equation of the circle. Now, if I want to find k, I need an extra condition. That is nothing but the circle passes through 1, -2. That means this point has to satisfy this equation. Let us substitute this. 1 minus 3 whole square is 4 plus y minus k minus 2 minus k whole square, that is 2 plus k whole square. Minus gets cancelled when you square it, is equal to k square. This implies 4 plus 4 plus 4k plus k square is equal to k square. These two gets cancelled. 4k is equal to -8. K is equal to -2. So the value of k is -2. The center is 3, -2. Hence you got the exact equation. Exact equation is x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square is equal to k square. K is again -2, whole square is 4. Now this is the exact equation of the circle. Just need to take each of this point and substitute in this and see whether the point satisfies the equation or not. So from this also you can see that C is the answer to this question. Thank you.